Today's Wink of the Week. It's a Reddit discussion group. So I found this discussion group about watercolor basic information or basic lessons, right? Beginner video tutorials, it's called. And it's full of a whole bunch of links, many of which I've tested to see if they're live. They are. So you get to go through these and find things about, there's mixing watercolors, great. There's some about paper, there's some about techniques, there's demonstrations, there's all kinds of information in this one little Reddit discussion. So it's a wealth of many winks of the week, but I'm just giving it to you as one big thing that you can go explore all on your own. So there you go. That's today's Wink of the Week.